In this video, we explore the LobbyBox maintenance menu for technician and management use. Enter the maintenance menu by pressing on the gear icon. Enter the 6-digit access code. This access code is configured in the LobbyBox administration interface. The number pad will scramble on each press as a preventative security measure. Wi-Fi settings allow you to select and change wireless network sources. About provides you the visitor unit name, IP address assigned to the visitor unit, and the software version. Sound Control provides a simple interface to test and set the volume for the integrated speaker and microphone. Check RFID allows an administrator to read an access card or access fob's serial number. Hold each credential to the LobbyBox logo. This is also a great way to ensure the RFID reader is working. Use the time zone button to set your local time zone for the visitor unit. The open door unlocks any door connected to the visitor unit for the standard unlock time. More features of the LobbyBox visitor management system can be found at lobbybox.com.